Hello folks, and welcome back to NC3D Studio. This is Greg once again, and just wanted to make a little video to give you an update on my thoughts of this printer now after having it for about 4 days and printing with it. Boy, let me tell you something. I'm new to the world of 3D printing, but man, in my opinion, Bambu Labs knocked it out of the park with this H2C. Listen, I have been completely and totally blown away by the print quality, the ease of use. For a flagship and premium level printer, this thing has been extremely easy for me to use, considering, like I said, that I am still learning. Just to give you a overview of what I have, like I said, the H2C Bambu Labs printer. I have the Bambu Lab AMS2 Pro automatic feeder system. I have an AMS HT, the high temperature feeder for the engineering type materials. Right now, currently in the printer, I'm printing a build plate holder for my build plates that I ordered from Bambu Labs. I have a vision encoder, I have the Super Tac Pro, and of course I have what's on the printer now, which is the PEI plate. And man, this PEI plate, I can't say enough about it. It's amazing. This here, just to show you a couple things that I printed. That is called the Impossible Cone. It's just a little satisfying toy for kids or even adults, I guess, for that matter. Yesterday I printed a hard case for hot ends and a few little tools from the toolkit. I printed a poop bin and a poop chute, and also I got in just earlier this morning, I got the rest of my stock in from Bambu Labs. I have the generic, as I call it generic, even though it's not really generic, it's inland 3D printing filament. It's pretty decent filament, but my main stock I ordered was Bambu Labs filament. And there's a reason why I did that, because Bambu Labs, one of the creative things they did with their printers is their spools of filament, they're all encoded with an RFID chip. So if you're using Bambu Lab filament, when you load the filament into the AMS, as soon as it feeds the filament, it automatically recognizes what type material it is and what color, so that you have to do zero assigning manually. When you're printing a project from Handy or from Bambu Studio, none of that's necessary, because, like I said, it automatically recognizes it. So it just makes the printing job so much easier, especially for somebody like myself that's still a novice at this and just learning. So, like I said, I'm going to be continuing to upload these videos, just keep you on track with the things that I'm doing with this. My reasoning behind buying this printer and spending the extra money on it is because, like I said, I retired back in 2023, and so now, I find this fascinating. It's not just a hobby for me. It is right now, but I want to turn this into a business. And I figured if I'm going to spend the money, I might as well get something that's going to last me for a long time, and just it's going to have everything I need to do the more advanced prints. I will also say that I plan on using some engineering materials, like I said, later on down the line, and starting to print some more advanced things. One thing that Bambu Labs does have is something called Bambu Studio. And man, that has been a great help to me, because listen, I don't, like I said, I didn't know a lot about this, but it's been teaching me a lot. And like I said, this Chat GPT has been very helpful to me. But the thing about this, the Bambu Labs made this so simple to use, and the maintenance and troubleshooting I found easy for me, just simple because that they make they make the troubleshooting steps so easy to follow. But like I said, I plan on continuing to upload these videos and to give you guys an update on what I'm doing. So please, I ask that you please like my channel. Please subscribe to it. These videos are going to help me, especially when you subscribe to my channel. I hope in the next year or two, I hope to have the opportunity to be able to try some more Bambu Labs products. Like I said, I have to make a little money first and see how it goes. But man, I'm just so impressed with their technology. But listen, guys, I thank you for joining, and thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you liked it, like I said, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye now.